Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy tulle skirt tutorial. First thing you're going to want to do is measure the width of the tulle by unfolding one of the ends and just measuring. Then you're going to go ahead, flatten out the rest of the tulle, and measure the length the same as the width. Now careful, it is slippery to step on, as my cats have just shown. So once you measure the width, the length of the width, go ahead and cut it off, fold it into half, make sure none of the edges of the tulle are folded in weird ways. Go ahead and take the radius of your waist and measure it out and cut it out onto this nice little triangle. Then measure the length that you want the skirt to be and cut that out. I'm using just regular chalk, as you can do that. Here you don't have to do it this way, I'm just doing it this way because it's easier. I am folding over the single roll of tulle so that I can get the same length every time, and so that it is easier for me to cut, and when I cut the line is straight rather than skewed or curved or wavy. Now I went ahead and did the same process that I just showed you a few seconds ago, and I'm opening only one piece of tulle so you see what I am doing. You can go ahead and do all of them at the same time, it's probably easier. Then go ahead and take all of your layers of tulle and match them up with a nice little line, pin them together. Now you're going to adjust the tension to 1, the pressure to around 3 to 6, the length to 1, and the width to 3. I am using the zigzag stitch. Go ahead and make sure you have the correct foot on, which is just the basic foot. Now you're going to take your ribbon and you are going to measure enough. You're going to fold it over so that enough goes around your waist and you have extra on the end. Fold it over, find the middle section, grab your tulle, fold that over, find the middle section of your tulle, match up the middle section of the ribbon and the tulle so that you can find your starting point for your ribbon and your tulle, so where you start to sew. Go ahead and mark that sewing point and then just match up the sewing point and the tulle. You can go ahead and pin the ribbon to the tulle. That is very much recommended because then it'll be easier and quicker for you to actually sew together. I didn't do that, so it took me forever to sew this. Once you have that, you can go ahead and snip the edges and use a lighter to make sure that the edges are nice and smooth. Now be careful. This is exactly how fast you should do it. Any faster, you will start to burn it. Any slower, it will fray. And that's all you need for that. Alright, so now you can go ahead and attach it to any skirt you please. It's like a nice little pencil skirt. Or you can go ahead and attach it to any other skirt that you wish. Possibilities are endless.